I have a paper here.
Okay.
So, read the first question.
Of the following, which is greater than 1/2?
Yeah.
The answer is 4 out of B, 4/7.
Yeah, right. And you guess the answer is 4 out of 7?
Because that's the one that's more than 1/2.
That's right. That's right. So look at the numerator. See, 1/2 is actually equal to 0.5, right? So look at the numerator. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 is the only one that is greater. For all the other numbers, the numerator is less than half, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the concept, you can answer it better. That's why I did that. Okay. The average mean of all the multiples of 10 from 10 to 190 inclusive.
Oh my god, I just did something like this.
The
problem is that I don't remember like any of the formulas that I learned.
Oh yeah, you have to just remember that these are simple things. Arithmetic mean is just adding all the numbers and dividing it by the number of numbers. Okay, 10 to 190, you have to add up all the numbers. And how many numbers are there?
19.
90. So just add all the numbers and divide by 90. That's it. That is meant by arithmetic mean. Now, okay. So how are you going to do this?
Multiply 190 by 10, and then wait, no. Or yes, multiply 190 by 10 and then divide by 19.
Why are you multiplying it with 10?
19, sorry, and then divide by 10. Okay, sorry.
You told me this, so can you tell me why you are multiplying with 10?
Because it's the multiples of 10.
Right. So actually it is plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus etc. plus 190, right? These are multiples of 10, right?
Yes.
So you can take 10 as a common factor, okay? And then it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 19, and this should be divided by 90, right?
Okay.
So that's the main thing. And just see here, see what is 1 plus 19 give?
20.
20. 2 plus 18 would also give you
20.
20. So I'll just show you an easy method. If you know the formula of the first natural numbers, that is n plus 1 over 2. So you can that way also. Or see here you have and that will come 9 times. Okay?
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then there would be a 10 by itself, the middle 10. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is 20 times 9 plus 10. Right?
Yes.
And 20 times 9?
180.
Yeah. 180 plus 10. Right? And that is 190. So you basically get what you told me, this answer. Okay?
Okay.
So the 19 will go in 19 times, sorry, 10 times. So it is 10 times 10, which is
100.
100. Just hold a second. Let me just pick up the phone. Okay, so did you understand how we got the answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Remember the next one?
Uh-huh.
In a class of 78 students, 41 are taking French, 22 are taking German. Of the students taking French or German, 9 are taking both courses. How many students are not enrolled in either course?
Right.
So you would add together 41 and 22,
Right.
63, and then
Right.
subtract from 78, which is...
No, you have to subtract 9 because 9 is included in both, right?
Yes.
9 are taking both courses.
Oh,
So from
yeah.
63, you have to subtract 9.
Yeah, and then you subtract that from 78.
Right.
And
Very good.
so
So how much is 63 minus 9?
54.
54, yeah. And subtracted from 78?
Is 28.
Is it?
Yes, it is. I mean 4.
All
Sorry.
right.
24.
It's 24. Is it?
Yeah, so it's C.
Next one. Square root of 2 minus square root of 3 whole square.
Doesn't the square cancel out the root 2 for 3?
Yeah, but remember this is whole square, so you must use the whole square formula. Do you remember that?
No.
So you should know that. A minus B whole square is square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay? So when you have root 2 minus root 3 whole square, it will be the square of root 2 plus square of root 3 whole square minus 2 times the rest of these two terms.
Okay, I remember this now. Sorry.
Yeah, if it is A plus B whole square, it would be A square plus B square plus 2AB. And it would be the square of the first term plus square of the second term plus 2 times or the difference of 2 times the product of terms.
Okay. So 2 squared plus...
It is square root of 2. So when you square it, what happens?
It's 2.
Now.
2 plus 3 minus 6. Or, sorry.
Yeah, 2 times square root of 6.
Yes. Okay, so it's 5 minus 2 square root of 6.
Very good. That's right.
That a 30 or a 50?
230 plus 2 power 30 plus 2 power 30 plus 2 power 30.
Just 8 to the power of 30.
Let's see the option. Would it be 8 to the power of 30? Okay, back to the question. So here you have 2 power 3 plus 2 power 30 plus 2. So 2 power 30 is repeated 4 times, right?
Yes.
So number is repeated, what can you do? What can you write it as? I repeat 3 4 times. So how do you write this?
3 to the 4th power.
Is it? No, you're adding, right? When you're multiplying, you write it as an exponent. So you're adding.
3,
You're
4.
adding a number 4 times. How do you write it?
3 times 4.
Right, very good. So that's what we have to use here. So 2 to the 30 is added 4 times, right? You can write it 4 times 2 to the power 30, right?
Yes.
What is 4?
It's 8 to the power of 30.
No. In terms of 2, as an exponent of 2, 4 can be written as?
2 to the 2nd power.
Yeah, right. So this
Oh my God,
2
okay,
to the
so
2nd power times to the power of 30. Now you can add the exponents, right?
Yes.
So it becomes 2 to the power of
32.
32. Got it? So
Yes.
when a number is repeated, and it's any number of times, you just multiply the number of times with it. Okay? Remember this point. The same number is repeatedly added means you have to multiply it by the number of times it is added. If it is multiplication, then it becomes exponent.
Yes.
If it is 2 power 30 times 2 power 30 times 2 power 30, then what happens? It becomes 2 power 30. And how many times it is repeated here? 3 times. So the extra 3 again. But it is repeatedly added, you times it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next question is, 1/5 is the average of 1/5 and what number?
1/6. I have no idea.
Okay. Here 1/5 and another numbers included, right? So how many numbers are there actually?
2.
2. I told average is just adding the numbers and dividing it by the number of numbers. So here just numbers are there. So if you take that number as x, say you are dividing it by 2 and this should be equal to 1/4, right? That's what the question is meaning.
Okay.
So it's the same writing 1/5 and the unknown number, when you add it, it should be twice the average. So twice average is what? 2/4 is what? 1/2, right?
Yes.
So then now that you got this, now it's easy. So what can x be equal to?
Oh my God.
What do you do?
You subtract x from both sides.
Not x, you subtract 1/5 because you are trying to find x, right? So
yes,
you subtract 1/5 from both sides, right?
Yes.
So that would be 1/2 minus 1/5, right?
Yes.
1/2 minus 1/5.
That is 3/10. 3/10.
3, yeah, right. Yes, it is 3.